Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset Nissan Pathfinder oil light, full guide. Begin with the vehicle parked, engine off, and key set to the accessory position, then locate the trip and reset buttons on the dash. Check the maintenance schedule and verify oil change completion. I will walk you through the button sequence, any menu navigation, and a quick test drive check so you can confirm the light stays off. Next, we'll go step by step through the menu and button actions on your Pathfinder. With the ignition in accessory or run position, press the trip or reset button to display vehicle information. Use steering wheel arrows to find maintenance or oil life, then press and hold the reset until it confirms 100% or the oil light turns off. I will describe timing, button feel, and how to retry if the light persists. If your reset attempt fails, stay calm and try a couple of simple checks. Cycle the key off and on, then repeat the reset sequence slowly and hold the button longer. If the light still stays on, scan for stored codes with an OBD2 reader to find underlying faults. Also double-check the oil level and that the filter was installed correctly, because mechanical issues can prevent electronic resets from sticking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.